Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model GG0038O in color code 004. It's a dark red crystal color frame. It has a double GG Gucci logo in gold on the side of the temple over here, as well on this side. This frame is made in Italy. Over here it says that. And this is the serial number. These are demo lenses stamped with the Gucci logo on them, right over here. Up here, we have the velvet Gucci cases. The colors may vary with purchases, as well as a pouch to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.